Hello everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. I have very exciting news. I got the new iPhone Pro Max in graphite. I am so excited. I usually upgrade my iPhone like literally yearly. My video for yesterday's, the mic was unplugged from it, so the Q&A was completely like done. So I had to re-record it this morning, and I'm starting the vlog off so late today. If there's any like weirdness with like the time and lighting, I'm so sorry. I just had to start off really late today. But my phone cases came in, so I kind of wanted to show you guys all the fun cases I got. So the first case I got is from Wildflower. I'm sure you guys have seen this brand all over Instagram and all over YouTube. This is Wildflower phone cases. It's owned by the Carlson family, and they are so kind, and I love them so much, so gotta support. So this is the green flame phone case. It's super cool. Green, black flames. It reminds me of Maleficent. The next case I got is also from Wildflower Cases. It is in two little like cherubs. I don't know if you can see it, but it's basically two little cherub angels, and it's such a pretty phone case. It reminds me of a Renaissance painting. The next thing I have is this case from Casetify. They actually sent this over to me as a gift. Thank you so much, Casetify. It is this pretty blue color, and it says my name in cursive right here. Casetify cases are super sturdy, and anytime I've dropped my phone with a Casetify case, it has not broken, so just an FYI. Last, but certainly not least, I got the Lumi holographic phone case. This is a collab with Paris Hilton. It has a ring light in the back, and then it has this beautiful light in the front. So in case you want the perfect selfie, but also want a cute phone case and support Paris Hilton, you should check this out. I wish it did have like her signature on it or something that said like a Paris Hilton collab. So I don't know if she's just a face for it or if it's like actually her phone case. All right, let me switch gears now. I have something rather unfortunate to share with you guys today. Today took a major L. My new iPhone is shattered already. This is what happens when you get your phone before you get a case. And I've never shattered the back of my phone before, so I was pretty shook. So you're probably like, what happened? I was at Remy's house and I was getting ready for my day, and I put the phone on the ledge of the sink and it came crashing down. For some reason, I thought the new iPhones had like fall resistance to them, so I didn't think it would shatter, so I wasn't being like too careful. But the back did shatter, and it's so sad. But luckily I have Apple Care, and they're really good at replacing and fixing stuff, so I'm just gonna have to drop her by the Apple store. And I just feel so bad, and I'm so sorry, iPhone. You do so much for me, and I treated you like this. But so far, a little review of the phone. I love it. The camera is phenomenal. It is like DSLR quality. I haven't taken much pictures of myself and stuff, but I've taken pictures of like food and random stuff, and it is so detailed and beautiful, and I can't wait to test out like the video on it and stuff like that. It's super fast. Whenever I'm loading an app or anything, it's like, maybe I'll do like an iOS makeover video one day and then kind of show you guys what I did to it. A long time ago, when I first got a MacBook Pro, I ended up leaving it on my bed, and I rolled over it and I broke the screen. Probably the most embarrassing story of my life. All right, my angels, I am going to do my comment shout out a little early because I am going to hang out with Alicia and Remy later tonight. So I think I should just get ahead of it. It's from Fiona Lonergan. She said, my favorite thing about Ollie is how interested he is in his audience. He supports all his subscribers just as they support him. The least I can do is interact with you guys. And obviously, if you guys have a channel or small business, please drop it down below. I would love to check it out and support you guys as well. I just feel so honored that you guys would spend like a little bit of your free time on watching my videos. So again, thank you so much. The next comment shout out we have is from Savannah Friend, literally. She said, when he started talking about beauty, I literally cried. That was so touching, and you can tell it comes from the right place. I'm not ready for Vlogmas to end. I love Ollie so much. Thank you so much, Savannah. I love you too. I haven't decided when exactly I'm going to end my Vlogmas probably around Christmas time. I might continue until January. Who knows how the flow is going to go. In the future, I will try to post 2 videos a week so you guys can start looking forward to that. But anyways, I'm gonna go head to Remy's and I'll see you guys there. Bye. Look at the chicken. We have another chicken right here.
I knew you were gonna say that.
Miss Alicia Marie got her salad, and I asked her where the meat was. She pulled it out the bag. Hello, everyone. Now we are just chilling on the cloud. We got Romy.
Hi. Romy.
We got Loshi. We got Miss Daisy May. We're gonna try to find a new Christmas movie to watch.
No. I know it's not real. I thought you went to Target. Wait, do I get to really keep this? Apparently this is a Target bag that I was fooled. I'm just impressed with the tape job. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't love it. I was being nice for the video.
Okay, so we are back at Alicia's, and she has an exciting story to tell me.
Tell me why. I can't believe this happened. This is just how you know that Ollie is the best. And as you know, he's so on trend. He knows like trendy lingo before it is even trendy.
Yeah.
For instance,
I do my
house
research.
down boots. Like you told me, you're like, watch, it's gonna be like that. And then all these huge YouTubers started saying it in their videos. I was like, oh my god, that's when you officially gained my trust for that.
Yeah.
By the way. Then he's like, purr, and I'm like, what's purr? What's purr? What's that? He's like, it means like period, like purr, like short, like purr.
You guys
I was like,
know,
oh my god,
purr.
I love that, especially because I always say perf all the time, and that's so much work to say perf. So when I actually say purr, it's just like easier. Now, it's become part of my vocabulary, like every single
You say it
week,
in every vlog.
but it's because of you.
Yeah.
Today I was texting my brother, and without even thinking,
What did he do?
I text all caps purr.
Of course.
And then I was like,
And how old's your brother?
oh, he's in his like mid-30s.
Mid-30s.
Luckily, I think he just assumed I meant perf.
Yeah.
So like, at least it's like a little. It's not.
You
like,
weren't as suspicious.
No, not sus.
No sus here. When are you gonna play Among Us with me?
Ooh, maybe like this week.
We can. Me,
I've
you,
had
TK.
requests.
Remy,
Oh, TK's already
Ashley,
sus.
Taryn. TK is a little sus. Okay, well, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I love you, my love.
I love you. I miss you.
I miss you.
I love you and I miss you guys.
Bye.